Hello guys, we're gonna play BMinch, not
What?
BMG Drive Teardown. Yes, this is the first time I played this game. Yeah. Oh, this
This
Windows?
game of
Yeah.
destruction, huh?
This is
Mostly.
Teardown because it's
Yeah.
Teardown means destroy stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
I think. Yeah.
But it's not must. You can do other things
Yeah.
in this game. Huh?
I have mods. I have a jetpack. I didn't play the game at all. Is this a light? Yeah.
What it is, even,
Destroy it. Oh, look! In destroy it. Yeah. And we're gonna go, we just sort of like plant, yeah.
Yep.
Satisfy. You see that? Satisfy.
This,
What is it? I know what this mod is, but it's meat. I think it's meat. Throw meat around.
And this is endless.
Endless meat.
Yeah. Yes.
Wow. Endless meat.
Oh, you
Oopsies.
have a damage with this.
What is this meat?
I'll go down. I see a lot of stuff interesting, yeah?
I can take damage. I didn't know that. Yee.
Oh, this is the center of shops, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This shop. Look.
This is
Does it have
closest
light?
shop. Oh, I think, huh?
Die.
Do you need clothes?
No.
Do you have another gun, maybe, huh? What can
I don't, how do I change gun?
to change, huh?
How to change this? Oh, now a bomb, a rocket launcher. Ooh, and that's it. Oh, I can go over here. And a physics gun. Yeah, I have this mod.
What is physics gun, huh? What can do?
We're gonna see. You can pick up things. Look.
And throw.
What? Wait.
Where? Wow. Almost on you, huh?
Yeah.
This cool, huh?
Cool. Throw things around.
This game is pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah. Destroy. Yeah. What is this thing?
This modern doors, huh? Like in
Why
some
can I go
stores,
through?
you can demolish, huh? If you want. Huh? That is
What?
easy way to go.
Go. Now we
in
go
this
up.
Game.
But, yeah. Need the door.
Yeah. Like open doors, huh?
Another one?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, this is a whole map, not the center, huh?
Yeah. Look there. This
Discotheque.
dark moon.
But it will be discotheque, huh? So, I think.
Destroy. I did do here.
Probably
What
not
is
here after this.
place? Let's destroy it. Destroy. What more? I have a shotgun. Ooh, cool. Ding, 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 and a ding, and yeah. Woo! Go and away.
Wow.
Ah!
So many buildings.
Ow. Go to here.
You know what? I have an idea, huh? Can you ride the car, huh? That is inside this
Yeah.
shopping center. Yeah. Down. Huh?
I want
There's
to.
a car.
What?
You want to destroy this? What is this?
So it's like lights.
Mm-hmm.
Ow. Can I drive this car? Press E.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
It's on display, yeah?
Can I drive it?
Probably, yeah? You can drive, huh?
Oh, cool.
Uh,
Whee! Yay! That's pretty much damage
yeah. You go to the store, there's
to
a
the store.
total madness, huh?
Yeah. Now, boom,
Bicycle
out of the.
condition shows on you. Wow, that you destroyed.
This is
This
destroying
will
it more.
be a very expensive car, wasn't
You said expensive car?
Yeah. It was on display, yeah? Now it's pork car.
Yeah. This place says pork. Pork.
It's stop, huh?
It says pork, but
Pork
if you know
shop, huh?
that. Pork. 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 Pork.
Slippery, yeah? Oh, the sign slippery.
It says slippery with pork? Slippery? It's slippery
Why are
with
you
pork.
parking everything, huh?
Look at that.
Can you do something
Lights.
cool like
Pork.
vacuum,
Pork
huh?
it.
Vacuum something, huh? Show on.
Do I have that?
Do we have vacuum, huh?
This
Check,
game.
check, huh?
Okay. The rocket booster, thruster vehicle, physical gun, minigun. What's this?
No, you don't have vacuum? No?
I have a minigun.
Oh,
Cool. Laser gun. I have a laser gun.
okay, cool. Also,
Oh. Is there fire? Oh no,
you cause a fire?
extinguish it. I'm the best man.
It will be very upsetting. The whole building will be on fire. We don't need a whole building on fire. Yeah,
No, not the fire. Don't be on fire.
it can damage our
This
computer.
is not on fire.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's
not
okay,
on
yeah?
fire.
You put out the fire. Just in time, huh?
Ooh.
Wow, we can throw so far. Can throw this, huh?
Yeah.
This extinguisher, yeah. Oh. The
I have a
vacuum,
gas can.
get what you can do with the gas can. Huh? Oh, when you want to set on
Yeah.
fire, we have trouble when you set on fire.
Um,
This is madness. Huh?
is setting this pork in gas. This is a car pork. Pork car. That's pork. Wait. Wait. Eh. Smash it. Look, it's about. I picked up one ore. A gas? I picked up. I'm pulling gas orb. Liquid I'm pulling. Um. Do I have a vacuum? Here? Here? No. Here? Here?
Oh, it's not allowed here for you. No, you don't have it.
Now we should,
This shop is closed.
shop.
Yeah.
Shop, okay, close?
Uh-huh.
It says close, yeah?
You show there, huh? This bars, huh? You know.
Maybe that's going to open it?
This only you can do in this game, huh? This throw the pork only.
Yeah, I can do that.
Wow,
Ah, cool.
that was impressive. Huh?
Okay,
This technique.
stop rolling. Stop rolling. What is the store?
Blue
Bluetooth.
tide.
Blue pork? This is blue pork. What is
Technology.
this? Is pork technology. I have pork technology. Um, now we're going to but look at this place. It's pretty big, yeah.
Yeah, and beautiful.
There's trees. This is like
Escalator here. I need to go
yeah. There's an
down.
escalator.
Okay.
This is like a mall, yeah.
Yeah, more. This is called more.
Mall.
Trash bin.
It just picked up the trash bin. I don't know what.
And you damage the floor.
The trash bin.
Mm.
What is the store? It says I don't know what it says. This is a clothes store again.
Yeah.
Yeet. I need to do some real damage, yeah? Like
If you say
a
so.
rocket launcher. Now there's going to be some real damage. What's down there? I'm going down there.
The first,
Woo!
the ground floor.
This is going. What's over there? Ow! My health is down. Oh,
Oh, it's
cool.
outside.
Outside I am. Just destroy that tree. And I'm at the back. Is this explosive? Yeah, I think yes. And this is like a little like storage area. Yeah. This says ever tides.
There's more. Yes.
Ever tides? Yeah.
Oh, the truck, very beautiful.
No. Full speed.
I wonder if it's loaded or not, huh?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Crash it into this. If it's loaded. I think it's not loaded.
That was not cool, huh?
Not
That
cool.
was just not cool.
Is there something in there? Check.
It was empty, huh?
Empty. Yeah.
Wow, so realistic.
Is
You can damage
What?
those? No.
why is it not?
This is like a picture, not,
Yeah.
not damaging.
Go the other way. Is that what is this again?
Excavator.
Oh yeah. Is there something in there?
That was something here, really.
Yeah. I had to stand back, you know? If
Oh, this killed
back.
you. Yeah,
Yeah.
he was
And this is my
killed, huh?
pork pile.
You can die in this game, huh?
Yeah, you can die in this game. And yeah, there's other maps and you can change the weather.
Weather?
You can change weather.
Really?
Light rain, night,
Wow.
light.
Night.
Yes.
Cool. Night is
We're
really.
gonna stay at night. Okay?
Somebody left us in the mall at night, huh? Yeah.
There's
Okay.
no one here.
Oh, no one here.
And the car is just going. I don't know where that was. And cool lighting. Yeah.
Yeah. Very beautiful.
But if I destroy all of lights, it's going to be really, really dark.
Dark.
Like in a horror movie, dark.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this? Oh, pretty, yeah. Over the
Spartans.
yeah, I just destroy that. Now go to here. Up, more up. We're gonna see what's over here.
You know, get more up to
More up, yeah.
big building. What?
A tall building. This
Tall building.
what's in here?
Toilet probably. Huh? Yeah.
so small.
Yeah, small.
It's a really big place, but the toilets are
Very small.
wooden and cheap and small. Yeah, and he just destroy that. There's like seats here.
Yeah, enjoy the view. Can
Ah,
enjoy
yeah.
the view. Very
But if
beautiful.
someone sits here, you can just destroy them.
Yeah.
Tear down. You have to
Tear down.
destroy
Can
people.
There is no people here.
Because this is an abandoned place. No one lives here.
No, because it's night. Huh?
Means I'm locked in this center. At night, these centers are being
Maybe,
locked.
Maybe, yeah. We can
What we can do?
tear down the rock, huh? We can enter
Into a trash bin.
into trash.
Yeah. And what does the sign say?
Nothing.
Blue.
Blue. No more.
No more blue.
Pretty damage this place, you want?
There's a fire over there.
What fire? I don't see it.
You see that?
Who set it on fire? You set it on fire? I said you not cause the fire, huh? It can damage your computer, huh? Can it? Yeah.
Not damage your computer, but crash the game in that.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Really, huh? It can spread, huh?
The pork is in the middle. The pork did it.
How it is on fire? I don't know.
How is the pork alive?
Pork is not alive. To say what you're talking about, huh?
Oh, yeah.
It's not a pig, huh? How is pork alive?
Oh, it's alive because it's not alive. Do the bonfire. Pork.
Okay.
Fresh pork.
Porky fire.
This
will do big damage to this.
Maybe enough?
Yeah, we already did a lot of damage, huh? I think that is what can do, in this map, in Teardown, no?
There's not a little much in this map.
I think we pretty much did already, huh? So
everything?
Say.
And we already did
So say
a damage to this place. Like set it on fire somehow.
Yeah.
And we killed pork. Yeah. And thanks for watching and bye and like and subscribe.